The Infinix Hot S3 has a 13-megapixel rear camera with autofocus, and a 20-megapixel fixed-focus selfie camera. The camera app is quite basic and has beauty, time-lapse, and professional modes to choose from apart from the usual photo, video and panorama modes. The professional mode gives you control over the ISO, white balance, exposure, shutter speed, and focus. Infinix also offers a few filters that you can apply before taking shots. There are quick toggles for HDR and the flash. The Hot S3 has a 4000 mAh non-removable battery which helped the phone clock 13 hours and 5 minutes in our HD video loop test. The phone can last one day with light to medium usage. It will need to be charged by nighttime if you are a heavy user. The Infinix Hot S3 has good hardware for the price. It is powered by the Snapdragon 430 SoC, which is an octa-core processor clocked at 1.4 GHz. There are two variants of this smartphone, one with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, and the other with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. We had the lower priced variant for review, and found that it had over 22 GB of free space available. Storage is expandable using a microSD card of up to 128 GB in the dedicated slot. The phone sports a 5.65-inch display with the 18:9 aspect ratio, which makes the phone tall and narrow. The corners of the display are hard to reach and you will need to stretch a little. Infinix has opted for on-screen navigation buttons, which is common on most smartphones these days. Above the display, Infinix has placed a metallic speaker grill, a selfie camera, and a dual LED flash. The loudspeaker, micro-USB port, and primary microphone are at the bottom, while the 3.5mm headphone jack is at the top. The 5.65-inch display sports HD+ resolution and has NEG glass for protection. It has good viewing angles, a vivid output, and is viewable under direct sunlight. Infinix has opted for a 4000 mAh non-removable battery and includes a 10W charger in the box. There is support for Bluetooth 4.2, USB OTG, GPS, and Wi-Fi. This is a dual SIM device and has two nano SIM slots with support for 4G and VoLTE.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe now.